Have you ever wondered about the magical world of seahorses? These mystical creatures of the ocean realm, with their horse-like heads, spiraled tails, and intricate patterns, are nothing short of enchanting. Belonging to the family Syngnathidae, seahorses offer a unique charm that's hard to find in any other marine species. Their fascinating behavior and lifestyle are just as intriguing as their appearance. A seahorse's life is a dance of grace and beauty, a ballet performed in the gentle sway of ocean currents. From their slow-motion travel, where they elegantly glide through the water, to their courtship rituals that are as endearing as they are elaborate, every aspect of a seahorse's existence is a spectacle to behold. But the enchantment doesn't end there. Seahorses are also known for their unusual reproductive behavior. In a delightful twist of nature, it's the male seahorses that carry and nurture the developing eggs. Yes, you heard it right. Seahorses are among the few species where males bear the responsibility of giving birth, contributing to the mystique that surrounds these creatures. Their habitats are as diverse as they are, ranging from tropical reefs teeming with life to tranquil seagrass meadows. Each species of seahorse is perfectly adapted to its environment, whether it's the flamboyant common seahorse, the tiny pygmy seahorse, or the elegant lined seahorse. This variety in species and habitats further adds to the allure of these captivating creatures. However, beneath this charm and fascination lies a sobering reality. Seahorses face numerous threats in the modern world, from habitat destruction to overfishing. But with our collective efforts, we can help protect these magical creatures and the marine ecosystems they inhabit. So as we dive deeper into the world of seahorses, let's appreciate their unique beauty and understand the importance of their conservation. After all, these enchanting creatures, found from tropical reefs to seagrass meadows, captivate the hearts of ocean enthusiasts worldwide. Seahorses belong to the family Syngnathidae and possess some truly remarkable features. These fascinating creatures are a spectacle to behold, with their horse-like heads, prehensile tails, and intricate patterns that adorn their bodies. This unique look is not just for show, but serves essential functions that are key to their survival in the wild. The horse-like head of a seahorse is more than just a charming feature. It's designed for efficient feeding. With eyes that can move independently of each other, seahorses can scan their surroundings for food without moving their bodies. Their long snouts, perfect for sucking up tiny crustaceans, are another adaptation that helps them thrive in their habitats. Next, let's talk about their prehensile tails. These tails are incredibly versatile and serve multiple purposes. Seahorses use them to anchor themselves to seagrass or coral when the current gets too strong. It's like their personal safety harness, keeping them from being swept away. Not only that, but these tails also play a crucial role during courtship rituals, as seahorses often entwine their tails when mating. Now let's move on to the intricate patterns that make each seahorse unique. These patterns, along with their ability to change color, help seahorses blend into their surroundings, providing them with excellent camouflage against predators. This chameleon-like ability is a testament to their adaptability and resilience in the face of danger. But perhaps the most unique feature of seahorses is their reproductive biology. In a fascinating twist of nature, it's the male seahorses that carry the burden of pregnancy. They possess a specialized brood pouch where females deposit their eggs. The males then fertilize these eggs and carry them until they hatch, providing the developing embryos with nutrients and oxygen. This extraordinary role reversal makes seahorses one of the few species in which males give birth to offspring. It's a testament to the wonders of nature, and another reason why seahorses continue to captivate the hearts of many around the world. Not only are seahorses unique in their features, but they are also masters of camouflage. This extraordinary ability allows them to become virtually invisible in their underwater homes, blending seamlessly with the vibrant seagrass meadows and coral reefs they inhabit. Imagine the ocean floor as a grand stage, and the seahorses, our main characters, dressed in costumes that change with each scene. The seahorse's skin possesses a remarkable characteristic called chromatophores, pigment cells that allow them to alter their coloration and pattern at will. But why would they need such a dramatic ability? Well, the ocean is not just a world of beauty, it's also a world of survival. This color-changing act is not just for show, it's a crucial survival strategy. By mimicking the color and texture of their surroundings, seahorses can effectively hide from predators, becoming almost invisible against the backdrop of their environment. But it's not just about evasion. This ability also turns them into adept hunters. By blending into the surroundings, seahorses can lie in wait for their prey, striking with lightning speed when an unsuspecting meal ventures too close. Some species take this artistry to an even higher level. Take the pygmy seahorse, for example. Barely the size of a fingernail and perfectly matching the color and texture of the sea fans they inhabit, these tiny creatures are almost impossible to spot. Just as a chameleon uses its color-changing ability to survive on land, seahorses use their camouflage to thrive in the ocean. Their mastery over this art of disguise is so profound that they can even change the texture of their skin, mimicking the smoothness of seagrass or the roughness of coral. This remarkable adaptation makes them elusive and mysterious inhabitants of the ocean. It's a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life in our oceans, where even the smallest of creatures can show us the grandeur of evolution in action. However, like many ocean dwellers, seahorses face numerous threats in today's world. These threats cast a shadow over the serene underwater world where these mystical creatures reside. They are reminders of the harsh realities that seahorses, despite their grace and beauty, must endure. Habitat destruction is one of the primary threats to seahorse populations. Their homes, the coastal waters, seagrass meadows, and coral reefs are being eroded and destroyed due to various human activities. Whether it's due to coastal development, dredging, or bottom trawling, the loss of habitat is a significant threat to these creatures. Another peril seahorses face is pollution. The ocean's waters are becoming increasingly contaminated by plastic waste, oil spills, and other pollutants. These not only degrade the quality of the water, but also pose serious health risks to seahorses and other marine life. Ingesting these pollutants can lead to illness, injury, and even death. Overfishing is yet another threat. Seahorses, being slow swimmers, often become unintended victims of fishing nets. Some species are also harvested for use in traditional medicines, curios, and aquariums, leading to a significant decrease in their numbers. Lastly, climate change brings about a whole new set of challenges. Rising sea temperatures, ocean acidification, and more frequent and intense storms disrupt seahorse habitats and food sources. These changes can lead to shifts in seahorse distribution and could potentially push some species towards extinction. All these threats do not operate in isolation. They interlink and magnify each other, creating a domino effect that disrupts the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. For instance, habitat destruction can lead to a decrease in food sources, which, combined with the stress from pollution and climate change, can severely affect seahorse populations. These threats not only impact seahorse populations directly, but also disrupt the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. It is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth and how our actions, no matter how small or insignificant they might seem, can have far-reaching impacts on the world around us. As stewards of the oceans, it is our responsibility to protect these remarkable creatures and the ecosystems they inhabit. The survival of seahorses, and indeed all marine life, hinges on our collective actions and commitment to conservation. The first step in this journey is understanding the importance of marine protected areas. These are designated zones within our oceans where human activities are more tightly regulated to safeguard the diverse life forms that reside there. By establishing and enforcing these sanctuaries, we can provide seahorses, along with countless other species, a safe haven to thrive. Next, we must address the pollution that plagues our seas. From the microplastics consumed by the smallest plankton to the larger debris that entangles marine life, the impact is devastating. Reducing pollution isn't just about cleaning up what's already there. It's about preventing it from entering our oceans in the first place. This means rethinking our waste management systems, advocating for policies that limit single-use plastics, and fostering a culture of recycling and sustainability. Overfishing is another significant threat that needs our attention. Many seahorses are unintentionally captured in fishing nets and trawls, a phenomenon known as bycatch. Promoting sustainable fishing practices can mitigate this issue. This includes the use of fishing gear that minimizes bycatch and adhering to catch limits that allow marine populations to replenish. Lastly, let's not forget the power of education and awareness. By sharing the story of seahorses with others, we can inspire a sense of curiosity and respect for our oceans. This, in turn, can drive more people to join the cause and contribute to conservation efforts in their own unique ways. By working together to address these challenges, we can ensure that seahorses continue to grace our oceans with their beauty and wonder for generations to come. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. The seahorses and our oceans are counting on us.